Ramadan, we want to improve the quality of life of more than 750 workers living here in this labor camp. At Ariston, we are deeply committed to make a positive impact on the world we inhabit and the people we share it with. Our corporate social responsibility programs has been an integral part of our operation, reflecting our values and principles. We have put a lot of effort to ensure that the workers have access to the best water heating solutions in the market. We are proud to have played an active role in this initiative. Our goal is to spread the warmth of humanity and contribute to improve the quality of life for those in need.
Water heater very helpful my side. During winter time, I woke up 5 a.m. very cool. Now I have hot water. Thank you, Ariston.